Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about a powerful tool in photo editing called Dehaze, and how it can affect your photography. Dehaze is a tool in photo editing software that reduces the amount of haze in a photo. Haze is caused by tiny particles in the air, such as dust or water droplets, which can make your photos look hazy or blurry. Dehaze can be a game changer for landscape photographers, as it can bring out the details in the photo that would otherwise be hidden by the haze. It can also improve the contrast and saturation of the photo, making the colors more vibrant. But Dehaze isn't just for landscape photography. It can also be used in street photography or portrait photography, to add a moody or cinematic effect to your photos. However, it's important to use Dehaze sparingly. Too much Dehaze can make your photos look artificial or over-processed. A good rule of thumb is to use Dehaze only when necessary, and to adjust the strength of the effect to match the photo. So, how do you use Dehaze in your editing software? In Adobe Lightroom, for example, you can find the Dehaze tool in the Effects panel. You can adjust the strength of the effect by moving the slider to the right or left. Other editing software may have a similar tool, so be sure to check your software's documentation. In conclusion, Dehaze is a powerful tool that can enhance your photos by reducing haze and adding depth and contrast. But, it's important to use Dehaze with moderation and adjust the strength of the effect to match the photo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more photography related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.